Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're going to be looking at the tool deals and the as it is items, clearance items. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. This is the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got save $25 off instantly if you buy a tool, charger, and a tool, charger, and a battery. So they will discount you $25. They finally have these 12-volt batteries in stock, and I've been looking all around for some of these batteries. It was really hard to get these batteries. They were just gone from all the state. You guys are wondering what I use to cut all the plastics off my tools and on packaging. There you go. That's $34.99. That's the Warrior cutoff power cutter. Got 1997 12-volt lithium drill driver, 3/8. It's a really basic drill, just for the DIY. Strictly for the DIY. If you do DIY, a lot of DIY projects, I would definitely at least go power. But yeah, this is for somebody that doesn't have any tools at all, that just wants to hang a picture frame or something on the wall. That's it. $4.99. You got a 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets. So if you need a tool bag, $5. You're good to go. And guys, just to remember, guys, they are running the under $10, 30% off. Today only is the last day. So any item under $10, you can get 30% off. And I did do a video. I'll see if I can link it up above, or just check out my channel for that video. That video has a coupon in there. So I'll see if I can put the coupon at the end of this video. If not, then go to my other video and get that coupon. But yeah, it's only today only. So buy now and save more, or save limited time only. So $9.99. This is Central Pneumatic. I personally don't like this brand. I like the Merlin. Merlin's a little bit more expensive, but you're getting a little bit more quality. $6.99 for the portable inflator, 12 volts. So if you need an inflator, I haven't used this personally, so I couldn't tell you if they're good or bad. Advanti paint and stain sprayer, $129. And then you got the smaller one here, $64.99. A paint and stain sprayer, handheld HVLP. You got an ammo box here for $3.49. It is a plastic. They do sell metal ones, but this one's plastic. So just to let you know. And then they have this. I saw this on TV the other day. It's a 6-inch contour gauge. My cousins do tile, and I told them about this. They didn't know anything about it. So I guess if you have a corner or something to cut, maybe a sheet metal or something, like a really weird corner, you can cut it with this thing, and it'll template it for you, and that way you can just trace it and just pretty much cut it. So you got instant savings here. Ends May 27th. So you got a whole bunch of stuff you guys could get. $74 for the 4-in-1 jump starter, a compressor for $164. So you got a whole bunch of stuff there. $199 for the cameras. This is a security camera, was $239. Then you got these security lights. There's wall mount lights, 115 lumen, $8.99. I like these for small areas, dark areas that you have around the house, especially if you get some sunlight. You can charge that battery. Same thing with this. I do have this one. This one's about 2 or 3 years old already. It's $19.99 and it still works. So it's a really good light. Definitely check it out. And then I got the new solar panels. So if you're into solar, if you want to charge your tool batteries in your truck or something, want to put something like this in your camper, in your van or whatnot for work, you can Google it, or just watch a lot of videos. I do have a few videos on doing that, like setting up your own solar system for your house or for your car. I do have some videos, but yeah, this is the new solar panel that they have. I will definitely go and get this one over the other ones. The other ones are pretty much big and bulky. This one's just one unit. It'll get you 100 watts. But you know what? 100 watts is nothing, because once you put it through the charge controller and all the wires and everything, components, it's only going to give you like 60 to 70 watts a peak. So just keep that in mind. That's for any solar panel. $19.99 for the 18 pocket tool belt. Looks really nice. Voyager. I personally don't like tool belts, but you know, sometimes you got to put them on because of your work or what you're doing around the house. So it's always more efficient to have a tool belt on. You got the Merlin 20 piece premium air compressor accessory kit. This is the brand that I was telling you guys. This is a really nice brand, much nicer than the Central Pneumatic. I would definitely go for that. $89 for this wagon. It does have the bigger rubber, wider rubber tires there. You got a backpack sprayer, $19.99. This is for house use, home use only. If you have a huge yard, I will definitely get something else. $4.99 6 pattern spray nozzle. This is okay. However, sometimes the plastic breaks if you let it sit on the outside. You got a pressure washer here, 2000 psi pressure washer from Bauer. $179. It's not a bad deal. Was $189. Then you got this. This is the underhood rechargeable work lights. $845. $29.99. Then you got some more lights over here. $8.99 for the 588 lumen for that tactical flashlights. You have your choice of different colors. As you guys see there's some green ones on to the right. So 588 lumen. 538 feet range. Then they got this tarp. So it looks like a heavy duty 4mm blue. 24 by 39, $49. So Harbor Freight's a good place to get your tarps. I personally do own a few of them from there. And guys, like I said, all the items under $10 are 30% off. So if you want to get some casters, you know, if you got some for the garage, you want to put like something on, move it around so you can clean under it, you know, make it easier on yourself, put some wheels on it. $24.99 for this string trimmer. I personally would stay away from this thing. I bought one. Maybe they updated it already, but when I bought mine, that thing was a piece of junk. $4.79 for the US General magnet. $1.99 for the 18-inch telescopic magnet. That's if you lose one of those bolts that goes into the engine bay. $19.99 for this shop light. It's 4 feet shop light, 5,000 lumen. So definitely check it out. It's a nice light. $27.99 for this OBD2 co-reader. So if you need to do your own diagnostics, you got a vehicle that'll take this. That's a nice device to have. I have a few of them myself. $199 circuit tester with a 5 feet lead. They don't have any here. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. $74.99 for this 4-in-1 jumper pack with jump starter and compressor. This is a nice little device here. It's a 4-in-1, so it's an all-inclusive thing. Then they got the floor jacks. $89.99 for the Rapid 2-ton low-profile floor jacks. If you got a small car, small truck, you can definitely save some money by going with this route. But if you have a bigger car or a bigger truck, I would definitely stick with the 3-ton. $94.99 Rapid Punt heavy duty. But and that's it right there. $94.99. That's the 3-ton regular. That's not it. That's the low profile. So I was trying to find it, and it looks like it's this one. So it's this one, the one that's yeah, that's that one. And then they have this one on sale. $169, the 3-ton long reach low profile professional. Guys, definitely it's worth it to go to the professional. I mean to the low profile. They do have a low profile, a little bit less expensive than this one, but this one's a really nice jack. I would definitely go for something like this. The low profile actually lifts higher than your regular jack. $13.99 for this pulley remover. $16.99 for this 5-piece front end service toolkit. So you guys see there, it comes with a nice case, Maddox. And guys, like I said, I can't say enough about this $10 30% off coupon that they have. You guys can get all those that are $9.99 or under. Those are all $9.99, and you can get them with that 30% off coupon. I didn't get them because I already have too many sockets from Pittsburgh. and I don't want to, I don't want them laying around somewhere. But that's a great deal. Definitely check it out. They're under $10. You can even get some extension cords, or not extension cords, but it's some extensions, impact extensions. They're under $10. And then this is the open box item, the as it is items. That's $77.99 for the 40-volt chainsaw, 16-inch. So if you're on the battery platform, make sure you guys check it out. I do have I do have a mower from that brand. Let me tell you, that mower is a really good quality piece of equipment. And then you got this. That's looks like the. I was trying to find the. Sorry about the camera. $59.99. That's for the blower. Then they got this. This is the Earthquake 20-volt max lithium cordless half-inch impact wrench, 202. And then they have this welder, which I didn't get the price. $67 for that 1,000 watt continuous power inverter. $14.24 for this. I can't see what it is. Looks like a multi-tool or something like that. $45.49 for this finished nailer, 16 gauge. $132.99 for this 15-degree coil roofing nailer. I was trying to look at the thing from the price from the pole saw here. So that's a pole saw from Atlas. It's $69.99. And guys, you guys could talk to your manager, see if you got a good relationship with your manager, you guys could get a good discount with this. So for a 9,000 watts, you can get it for $524. Like I said, if you have good relationships with your store manager, you guys could get a good discount on all these items. Because these items, they want to get them out the door, so that's why they can lower them a little bit for you. And those are the smaller ones. So 4,375 watts, $299. So definitely check it out, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.